The much-awaited challenge to show that an election commission electronic voting machine can be tampered with will begin on the 3rd of June. Now, political parties will be given 4 hours to give it their best, but the rules are clear. All attempts to hack into the machines will have to be done within the offices of the Election Commission of India.
The Election Commission of India now propose to open the challenge on 3rd June onward to all political parties.
At the center of a political storm, these seemingly innocuous machines, political parties like the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bahujan Samaj Party insist that they can be tampered with to change election results. Stung by the criticism, the Election Commission has announced that political parties can choose any 4 machines from the last round of assembly polls, and 3 people of their chosen Indian representatives can try and tamper with the machines for 4 hours on a designated day in the office of the Election Commission in Delhi. Can you keep your hand on your heart and say that, to the best of your knowledge, these machines cannot be tampered with?
I think I swear by that.
But this did not satisfy Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who seems to suggest that the Aam Aadmi Party be provided with a machine for more than 4 hours allotted. In a tweet, Kejriwal said, "Sir, you never provided the machines, please." For its part, the BJP, which has won a slew of elections across the country, say there is nothing wrong with the machines.
पूरे दुनिया में भारत की जो ईवीएम व्यवस्था है उस सर्वश्रेष्ठ मानी जा रही है लोकतंत्र के लिए.
This is a real electronic voting machine. June 3rd onwards, political parties will get an opportunity to tamper with this real machine. Whether they succeed or not, only time will tell. With camera person Dhanpal in New Delhi, Pallav Bagla for NDTV.